5-day forecast brings us a return to winter, certainly turning cold again with the risk of some more snow and a widespread frost during the night time. We've already got a few snow showers affecting the more northern and eastern parts of Scotland, the Northern Isles, with temperatures struggling to get above freezing right now, and a fairly brisk wind as well. And that wind's going to bring that cold air a long way south through this afternoon, more especially through tonight and through tomorrow. And also a developing area of low pressure here in the North Sea will bring some quite strong winds into eastern Scotland and the northeast of England, but with it some of that colder air and the risk of some snow. This is lunchtime tomorrow. You can see the white symbols making their appearance now. So I think for the rest of today, for tonight and for a good part of tomorrow, the more northern parts of Scotland at risk of some quite heavy snow showers. And of course with the strong winds as well, they'll blow around, there'll be some drifting, and with that some quite difficult driving conditions as well. Now eventually that low starts to move out of the way. It brings the cold air all the way down to the south. But I think Saturday the best day, particularly in some of the more sheltered southern areas with a lot of sunshine to be had with good visibility, but feeling a lot colder than it's been of late. And then on Sunday the next area of low pressure bumps into the colder air, which gives us problems with the possibility of more snow, mainly for northern areas, and we'll have more on that later today. But for the rest of the afternoon we're looking at some bright weather around, a few holes developing in the cloud in England, Wales and Northern Ireland, but also some low cloud and some drizzle up over the hills and near the coast. And still that cold air in the far north with temperatures struggling to get much above 2 or 3 degrees in the northern parts of Scotland, but I think on the south coast into double figures, 10 or 11 degrees. So tonight that little bit of cloud and drizzle slowly creeping away down to the southwest, and still a risk of those sleet and snow showers coming down in off the North Sea. Otherwise a much colder night with frosty conditions, I think, for eastern England up across Scotland, -1, -2 typically. And for Friday's forecast there should be a lot of dry weather around in the south, but that colder air is gradually sinking its way southwards, so quite a drop in temperatures just about everywhere, 5 or 6 degrees with that brisk north or northwesterly wind. Come Saturday, as I mentioned, probably the best day of the week, some sunshine in the south, but turning very much colder with those sleet and snow showers drifting down from the north. Well, into Europe, and we've got some wet weather on the eastern side of Europe, and here in Russia we've seen 24 millimetres or so of rain in the space of 2 days, quite a bit considering the average is just about that. And for the whole of Europe, as you can see, low pressure firmly in charge, so very much unsettled across a good part of Europe. For the sunshine really, it's probably the western end of the Mediterranean that fares the best over the forthcoming few days. Bye for now.